Hello viewers, welcome to another episode of The Big Leap from Mirae Asset. We are very happy today to have a very young and dynamic entrepreneur. We have today with us Mr. Sumit Nahata from Surat. Sumit ji runs a very successful practice called as Money Tree. He has been in the investment line for now almost 2 decades. Money Tree is now almost 15 years old, started in 2005, and they have been managing investments for now more than 220 families across the world. Money Tree is present in Surat, in Ahmedabad, and in Mumbai. So they have a regional presence. So thank you, Sumit ji, for joining us on The Big Leap. It's a pleasure and honor to have you with us for this session. We would really want you to start with the very beginning, that how did Money Tree come into being?
Thank you, Mayank. Thank you for having me here.
Our pleasure.
I started up very early. In fact, when I started my practice, so it was way back. I was in college. There's those days. I come from a family which has a textile background, and there's a very old businesses. But I always wanted to had an urge of doing something of my own. So that is how I landed up doing something into finances, and finances was always something which was very close. So for me, it was something which I really liked and was passionate about. So it turned out to be my the work for me. 2004, which we had started, and so it's like almost like 14-15 years currently.
Okay. So how did the first initial clients come in? When you said that you had a background in textile, so they would not be saying that clients would know Money Tree before. So how was the initial years? How did the first clients come in?
So initially, we started up with our own investments, and slowly, gradually, we had investors which came from our known circle. But gradually, all those investors did referred more clients, and this is how we are currently. So we would be having currently more than around 200 clients actively where we manage their investments.
Sure.
So that is how it has all started up.
Okay. So how did the business, how were the initial challenges like? Because after 2005, in a couple of years, you saw the regulatory landscape change. Then how did you see the business evolving since then? It's 15 years, you have seen a lot of ups and downs.
One thing which was pretty new for me when I landed up into mutual funds was because I never had any market experiences. And we were into a very good bull run at that moment of time. Yes. Where whatever investments you would be making, there was only one direction, that was up. So in 2008, when we actually saw a financial crisis, it was a big reality check for me, because I have never seen such cycles and had any experience of market crashes and or any other background of investing into. So that was a big learning for us, and slowly and gradually we came to know about how market behaves and the volatility and the market cycles in general. As an advisor, also as an investor, we are still learning, and market does keep on surprising us on a daily basis, and so that is how you always keep on learning, and it never stops here.
Okay. So tell us about what is the process at Money Tree? How would you onboard a client? What do you look for in a client? How do you make him stay during the whole investment process and the whole life cycle? So how does it work at Money Tree?
Post almost this experience, what I understand is survival is the biggest catalyst for every investor, I think. So there's no certain process which is set, but what we understand now, investor and markets would behave very differently at times, and specifically it's basically a psychological journey where a lot of emotions are involved, and where we actually get a lot of greed as well as a lot of fear during these market cycles, based on what the client is actually looking at, and the kind of risk appetite, basically the behavior, how he behaves. The investment portfolios would basically are managed very dynamically. So I mean, there's no set process, but what I reckon is the most important thing is how comfortably you can basically be part of this journey is the most important thing.
So what would you say are the main learnings of being in your running your own business for the last 15 years? What would you advise to anybody who's looking at this business going ahead?
The biggest thing which anyone should look after, specifically looking at this profession, is how good informed you are. I mean, so you need to be updated on a daily basis on various different market cycles, on different market stats, whether it is equity, debts, international markets, commodities. You need to be updated first of all.
Sure.
So unless and until you are updated about various different things in this market cycle, in this basically in these markets, it does really helps you in a way of advising people. So I think updation is one of the biggest thing. And other than advising, what I really feel is the most important thing is engaging with people, because unless and until you engage and you have a good relationship with your investors, you won't be able to manage their money for a longer period of time, because there will be time of markets which will be very difficult for you as an advisor, because whatever you advise won't be doing well, and even for an investor specifically, because investor has been investing his hard-earned money.
Sure. So during these special situation, COVID times, how have you seen clients or the business react? What has been your conclusion in these difficult times for the business going ahead?
Is transforming of business into digital way. That has really helped us connect more people at the same time, and also managing and meeting people easily digitally, because in any ways you're not able to meet them. So I think this is a new normal what we have landed into.
Right. So thank you, Sumit ji. Thank you for your time. It's been a lovely conversation. Thank you for all your nuggets of wisdom which you talked about and your journey for 15 years. Thank you, viewers. And we look forward to bring more such entrepreneurs to the Big Leap series. Keep watching this from Mirae Asset. Thank you and take care.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.